Hey guys, a warm welcome to our channel. Today we're checking out the TP-Link Deco X55 AX3000 Wi-Fi 6 Mesh System 3-pack, a powerful mesh Wi-Fi solution that's perfect for modern homes and busy networks. This system replaces both your old wireless router and extenders by creating one fast, unified Wi-Fi network that blankets your space with strong, reliable signal. With support for Wi-Fi 6 AX3000, it delivers faster speeds, better capacity, and improved performance for all your devices. From phones and laptops to smart TVs, cameras, and gaming consoles. The 3-pack Deco X55 can cover up to 6,500 square feet, so whether you've got a large house, multi-floor layout, or tricky Wi-Fi dead zones, you'll enjoy consistent coverage in every room. Each unit also comes with 3 Gigabit Ethernet ports, giving you plenty of wired connectivity options for PCs, consoles, or switches. And it even supports Ethernet Backhaul if you want to connect units with cables for even stronger performance. One of the best things about Deco systems is how easy they are to set up and manage. Using the TP-Link Deco app, you can get online in minutes, control connected devices, set up parental controls, and run speed tests, all from your phone. The app also lets you create guest networks and customize settings without needing tech expertise. With Wi-Fi 6 technology built in, the Deco X55 excels at handling multiple devices simultaneously while reducing lag and congestion, great for streaming 4K, video calls, online gaming, and smart home devices. If you're looking for a simple, high-performance mesh Wi-Fi system that replaces your router and fills your entire home with fast, stable internet, the TP-Link Deco X55 AX3000 is definitely worth checking out. Click the link below for the best price, and thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews and smart home networking tips.